In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no sound in Google Chrome. If Chrome is opening websites but you can't hear any audio, don't worry. This is usually caused by a browser setting that blocks sound. And the good news is that it only takes a moment to check. I'll walk you through the exact setting you need to review so you can get audio working again in a simple and reliable way. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to Chrome's main options and settings, including the controls for website permissions. From that menu, click Settings. This will open Chrome's settings page, where you can manage privacy, security, and how websites behave when you visit them. If you don't usually spend much time here, that's completely fine. We're only going to a specific area related to sound permissions. Next, on the settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls that determine what websites are allowed to access, such as notifications, location, camera, and in this case, audio behavior. It's an important area because if sound has been restricted here, websites in Chrome may stay silent even when your device volume is turned up. After that, click Site Settings. This page is where Chrome organizes permissions for websites, so you can choose what sites are allowed to do while you browse. Since sound is handled as a site permission, this is the right place to fix the issue. Now click Additional Content Settings. This section includes extra permission options that aren't shown in the main list right away. It's easy to overlook, so take your time and make sure you open the correct section. Here, find the sound setting and make sure the option that allows sites to play sound is selected. If this option is enabled, Chrome will let websites play audio normally. If it was set to block sound, that would explain why videos, music, or other media were not playing any audio in your browser. Once you confirm that sites can play sound, go back to the website that wasn't working and test the audio again. In many cases, the sound should start working right away. If needed, you can also refresh the page after changing the setting so Chrome reloads it with the updated permission. That's it. By checking Chrome's sound permission in Site Settings, you can quickly fix one of the most common causes of no audio in the browser.